ourselves to survive the unthinkable, so that we could be free. Peace is not an idea. It's a choice we must make. It's practiced, not promised. A responsibility we must take. We hold it in our hands, the power to protect, to plant the seeds of peace in how we lead and how we act. I know, these days the world feels upside down, like we're slipping backwards in every city and every town, where truths are twisted and lies are dressed. Our feeds are filled with lies designed to impress. Hospitals bombed and schools destroyed, aid withheld and human rights made void.
Israeli troops opened fire near Gaza aid sites.
Over 150 extreme events.
At times I wonder if we're just bargaining chips for boys with toys, no regard for human life, just endless fucking noise. And yet, in moments like these, we must find direction. In the middle of chaos, to choose connection, to stand united, to not back down. We've seen enough to sit this one out. We resist, we express, and we draw the red line. From the Hague to the world, in your city and mine. Tonight, we make a stand. We're the most fearless of us all. People who speak truth to power, who risk it all.
Where do we find peace?
Let's do anything to tell all children.
For all dreams.
Of all species on this earth.
This is our resistance, our revolution in rhythm. This is our moment, too strong to be hidden. The fight's not won by a chosen few. So people of this world, we call on you. Not to dispute, not to salute, but to put on a peace disco suit. Let's join together and party for peace and show the world what unity really means.